Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a close look at the Feet 5 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Stuart Coffin and made by Creative Crafthouse in the United States. Difficulty level of the 5 feet puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 5 parts into the large frame which has a square shape. At a first glance it looks easy. There are only 5 parts and a square shape. What can be easier, but once you start solving the puzzle you will find that you can fit 3, maybe 4 parts, but there is not enough space for the last piece, no matter how you try. But if you try a little bit harder, eventually you'll be able to find the correct solution. The 5 feet puzzle is made from various kinds of wood. As you can see, each piece has a different wood, and the puzzle comes with a cover. If you solve it, you can put the cover on top so that you don't lose any of the puzzles. It is not extremely difficult puzzle, one of those that you spend weeks, months to solve. It will be a solvable puzzle in probably under 30 minutes, and it will be a nice addition to your puzzle collection, or maybe it will be a nice coffee table puzzle. If you like the 5 feet puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.